couple ways that I personally like to ascend the scale just before I come down. And it's not really the scale, it's more what I call lick number 6. So I'm in the key of A here. I'll put a link to lick number 6 in the video description, but that's basically it. You go here, you can't really slide to the third, so you push off minor third with the thumb, kind of flick it up to the major third with the second finger, and then use whatever fingers you want. You can use all the second finger if you want. And then you do your descending stuff after that. So you see, every time I go up, it's that little step. If I was in a key like C, I could slide that. So I really could just use all the second finger. Slide the flat third to the third. Okay, so that's one of the ways I like to kind of set up that descending run. Is all I'm doing there is adding that constant C on top. Again, this is in C. If I was in A, it would be an A on top. Okay? Just literally, you can go up the scale. Here I'm back in A. There's my blue scale. And really it's a matter of what's comfortable in the hand, for the hand shape in that particular key. So I'm coming up the scale, and now I open up into this A minor 7. So I'm going all the way up to the minor third.